you guys wondering if this could be a water fight or a song brand in Chiang Mai? Check it out.
They're not open.
Hey, happy Songkran for day one. We are over here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, right next to the Taipei Gate. It's actually quite busy on the streets, but surprisingly, there's no water splashing. Maybe not right now, but
I don't think they're gonna have that at all.
I think because of COVID, they're not gonna have any of like no big water fights with water guns and everything like that. I think the main thing is just you know, traditional water sprinkling, whatever that is. I think it's just like, you know, like light sprinkles. It's not really like massive water fights like how it's been like 3 years ago. But I believe this year's is probably like less stricter compared to previous years.
Yeah, but we don't know.
Yeah.
So we're not really too sure what's gonna go on, and hopefully we'll have a great time.
They actually have a lot of activities like everywhere in Chiang Mai. So over here in Taipei Gate and over like up a little bit up north of the this little Cholom Park. We're probably gonna go check that out later on after checking out some of these activities over here. But this is only day one. There's 3 days of Songkran, so we'll see how everything goes.
I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Okay, nhớ cho số lên cho mấy cái phong yêu số cái để cái tin trang nếu nó bây giờ cho Chiang Mai Thái Tế nếu nó do như bây giờ had a look at the water festival Songkran nếu nó như TE để bây giờ cho Chiang Mai lưu tháp hệ cái đó là chỉ lưu phải theo bộ ta là bọn lưu việc đó mua cam bó đó là bắt chỉ chơi trốn cái đó này rồi chơi xong bây mua chơi họ yang yêu trốn cái đó chỉ mà hiện là chỉ mua cam bó bây giờ nó bắt chơi cái trốn cái này việc hàng đứa này nó thi sao chỉ cho thi ở hai thi bé này bố chỉ mong đâu chẳng đâu chẳng này bố yêu để bé chỉ mong gì sai sai bố chỉ có chuyện gì.
So this place is actually really pretty. I didn't expect any of this at all, and I'm surprised there's no water fighting because what I heard was they're still gonna have it low key, but it didn't happen. So
maybe elsewhere.
Maybe elsewhere, but we are prepared. I'm in my shorts under this, and we have some. We didn't bring
Ziploc bags.
We got Ziploc bags, and yeah, I just thought it would be like crazy because I heard fireworks this morning, so I was like, oh shit, I gotta hurry up and get ready right now before Port gets mad at me and we miss everything. So babe, do you like this?
I mean, so far it's really hot. Nothing's going on right now.
Nothing, huh?
I think in the next few minutes they're gonna have the contestants come up and showcase themselves for the beauty pageant later on at 7 p.m. There's gonna be a pageant from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. That's pretty late. We're just busy hiding under the shade and we missed the whole entrance from all the contestants.
So Port and I got 2 free fans, and I noticed everybody else got it, so everyone's fanning themselves because it is really hot. But it's not as hot as Bangkok's. So I think right now we're waiting for a little pageant preview, right? And then we're gonna head out to go check out somewhere else.
เจ้านะเจ้าของแต่ละคนนะเจ้าแล้วก็จะได้คัดเลือกนะเจ้าสาวงามเนาะ
Alright, it's time to head over to the next destination.
It's really hot here, and the next thing they're going to do is that flower thingy contest.
The Songkran offering contest.
So I think we're just going to like head out.
Anyways, I think over there at the park they have a culinary contest now for best larp and best somtam. So we're gonna go check it out. It's like I'm going to the car wash. Are we pouring water? Well, let's go through.
Oh my god. So that was really weird. We drove past a checkpoint,
Checkpoint.
and they didn't stop us.
There was like at least 10 or 15 bikers stopped on the side of the road.
Yeah, no, it wasn't. It was only like 3.
I don't know. I was ready to flash my ID.
Yeah, show the ID. But anyways, now that we're driving and kind of thinking back about the Taipei Gate, where's all the locals? Yes. Wanna get pulled over? There you go. Swadika.
Speak English.
Yes, English.
English. You driving license? Show driving license.
Yes.
Where you going?
Oh, we're gonna
So
go
back.
right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Thailand.
Kokunka. That's how you do it. Yes. Oh, the bike popped. Sorika. Wait.
เป็นยังไงครับพี่ผู้ชายไม่ได้ครับ
Where you come from?
แม่กับ
ขอบคุณครับ
Kokunka. Getting pulled over. Like, there's a lot of checkpoints lately. At least I'm happy about that. Maybe tonight. Alright, so we just got to the park to see if there was a food contest, but there, I
It
don't
doesn't
know.
seem like there's anything right now.
It might be like an indoor thing, or we're not too sure, but it's pretty dead here, so we're just gonna go back and see if there's anything else.
We're gonna cruise around the downtown area to see what they
Yeah.
have.
It's so weird. It's like, where's all the locals, you know? Because
Yeah.
this is like a major, this is probably like the number one.
It's a major holiday
Yeah.
or festival over here.
Yeah.
And it's like, where's all the people at?
It was weird to see more tourists in the Taipei Gate than the locals. Like,
There's probably like a hidden place we don't know. Hey, how's it going everyone? So we are back at the Songkran on day 1. Earlier it was just too hot for us to be exploring. Well, actually we did explore quite a few places to see if there was anything else, but we couldn't find anything that was going on, so we went home just to relax for a bit, stay out of the heat. And now we are back at the Taipei Gate area, and there seems to be like a giant night market right now. So we're just gonna cruise around to see what they have. It's so much livelier right now. Lots of food. We got these egg rolls. 130. Rice. Keyboard. Ooh, it's pretty lively right now. But tại nhiều cú khao lại biết sao lại mong trẻ, mong suy pla đây. Ta nói cái gì tí trong tôi để phố thế lúc ta la thì là phải cho ta biết tôi là gì rồi xin là lúc thà phải cái nó. Nên tôi sẽ có chỉ mua tôi chúng ta. Để cho mấy mong gì sát rồi.
No, 120. 120. 140.
Water.
I want the one with the salt.
เอาอันนี้อันนึงค่ะ
Rồi kia đó. Rồi cái mà ta. Cho là chúng ta bỏ ra. So right here just looks like your typical Sunday night market, huh? But on Songkran. We're walking on the Taipei Gate Street. It's not that big, but there's quite a lot of vendors here though. like your any typical night market. Same vendors that you see during any other like night markets. You recognize quite a few of these vendors. Yeah, I wonder where these people are getting their water from. Are they getting from like
There's
the dirty
a
water?
truck over there. Oh, the water?
Yeah,
Water bottles.
from water bottles. They better not be getting from like, dirty water.
They can't get. Where are they gonna get dirty water from?
Right there, right by the moat.
Oh, no, they can't
Yeah.
go down there.
Oh, you never know. Are you guys wondering if this could be a water fight or a Songkran in Chiang Mai? There's no major water fight here in Chiang Mai town. Only like a small little portion of the Taipei Gateway where all the foreigners are at. They're just spraying water out to like passerbys or any other cars. But if you're looking for water fight activities, there's gonna be none. You'd be disappointed. There's also like a police over there just regulating people from like spraying water and throwing water at other passengers or motorbikes and cars. So there's really nothing like, you know, exciting over here at the moment.
How come they're yelling like they're having hella fun?
Like I said, it's all just foreigners.
Oh, that's a bar right there.
I don't see no locals doing water fight. Everything is just foreigners at like major bars drinking and spraying water guns at people. Basically to your right and to your left is a bar with foreigners spraying water and that's it. This is probably one of the most boring Songkran that I've been to. Due to COVID and no water fight, there's really not much activities here too. Unless you are at like any of those crazy bars that allows you to drink and spray water, which is where most of the foreigners are at. Just an update of Chiang Mai Songkran. So let's just hope next year is better. Well, that's what everyone's been thinking. Hopefully next year is better. Hopefully next year is better, but I don't even know if I'm going to be cruising around for day 2 and day 3 for Songkran. Right now, it's just basically like no pageant. But other than that, no water fight, no water festival fight. I mean, that's just my 2 cents of Songkran here in Chiang Mai.
Don't judge. Oh, yeah, they're using those water.
Yeah, they're using water in the fountain.
Oh.
That's a nasty water right there.
Oh.
That's nasty. They're using water from that water fountain. You do not want that in your eyes or in your mouth.
No, you just said.
Yeah.
No bueno.
Yeah. So look at that lady just grabbing water from the water fountain. That's nasty.
So yeah, if they get COVID tomorrow, you know what?